everyone, this is Cindy of Create the Heart, and I'm here to share a unboxing of Happy Mail. So I did a Christmas in July swap with Tracy Swindle. It was on a Facebook group, snail mail, flip books, or something like that. And we had to make a flip book, a tag flip book, and then we had to wrap everything so it looked like presents. Had to be at least $20 worth of stuff, and so this is, just opened it, and this is the funniest thing in the world. I forget where she's from, Missouri, or I don't know. I've got it on my messenger, but I'm from California, and she is not from California. She is from many states away, and we used the same exact paper pad for our tag flip. It is the most bizarre thing. She used the Fa La Llama paper from Michael's. I just think that's insane that we use the same paper out of everything Christmas in the world. We use the same paper. I don't even know what to say about that. So crazy. But this is her flip. So cute. I'm loving it already. She has an awesome like pom-pom with all these threads and everything. And then it flips. Oh, super cute. Look at how fun. Pull this out a little bit. Cute. Lots of tags. Love that bow. Very cool. Wood piece. Super cute. Wow, look at little gingerbread, felt gingerbread men. Spreading Christmas cheer. So adorable. Love, love, love that. Really great. And it's so funny that we use the same paper. It's awesome. So this is the first thing that I'm going to open. It's wrapped in tissue paper. How fun. She made me a traveler's notebook. Oh my gosh, how cute. I love traveler's notebooks. How fun. Wow. Great, great job. So it's the first thing in there. Her YouTube is Tys Creates. Tys Creates. Very, very cute. Love that. Okay, so now on to the next thing in here. So it's wrapped like this. It says Be Merry. And so in here is some bling and some giant buttons. And then the next thing in here is this right here. So there's some tape in here, and looks like a sticky note pad, and then some wood pieces. So awesome. I'm going to pull everything out of here. There's a lot of stuff in here. She really went all out. Everything is wrapped so beautifully. Okay, so let's see what else. So it's all wrapped just gorgeous. It's like literally Christmas in July. Okay, so in here, I'm going to open this first one a little bit off camera because I can't get in here. And there is a fun stamp set. Cool. And then this one, we'll open this one. Let's see if we can get this ribbon off without destroying everything under the sun. I haven't done Happy Mail in a while. Okay, let me unwrap this one and let you guys know what's in here. And in here are some journal packs. Very cool. And some stickers. So there's some coffee and tea time stickers. And these, and I love these notebooks. Those would be awesome to use in making a traveler's notebook. And then I've got this one right here. And I love this flower that she made on it. And then here is, ooh, these are very cool. These are coffee cups. Love that. And then there are some these, my heart, like a wood piece. And then I didn't send as much stuff. I did send a cottage cuts die though, so I feel good about that. So hopefully she'll enjoy that. That was a pricey item. Let's see here. We've got these right here. Mombi chips, chipboard stickers, bright and cheerful. And let's see what's in here. Okay, and here we have some more stickers. And this Mary sign, very cool. Some bags. And let's see. Wow, so window clings, I think these are. And some gift tags. And then last, very cool. It's a paper pad. Isn't that cool? So that was my happy mail from Tracy. I love everything. You really spoiled me. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Praying with the Heart.